Hello everybody, welcome to Creative Learners. Today I am going to start my video series on how to speak English. It is for those native learners whose second language was English once upon a time, but they need English globally in their education form, in their institutional form, and in their official form also. For that, they need to speak English, how to develop yourself to the ideas of English in your forms. We'll speak about that, and I'll begin the session. And notice, there is a surprise tip at the end of this session. For this, you need to watch the video till the end. Let's begin the session. I'll be giving you certain tips and rules that how to develop yourself. So at first, the first rule is curious. Be curious when you are learning a language, when you are learning how to speak a new language which is not your mother tongue. Then you need to be curious enough. You need to set your mind in a way so that you can practice. That's number 2. You need to practice yourself. How? Yes, there are options. The basic and the most helpful option is standing in front of a mirror, which will help you a lot if you start speaking language in a broken sense. Not I'll tell that you have to speak English in the beginning, as a beginner fluently, but if you speak English in standing in front of a mirror, if you can practice it for a month or let it be for a week, I can grant you, I can assure you that you will start developing a confidence within yourself. So the first thing is curiosity. You need to be curious and you need to stick to it. Not that after practicing a week you can leave it or you can be boring. No, you have to maintain patience. Number 2 is you need to practice. Number 3 is the most important, what Bengalis do, what the native speakers do. They think in their mother language and then they try to translate. For that, you need to improve your vocabulary. Whatever you are thinking in your mother language, in your daily to daily words, please make a note of those words in your mind. Yes, you can make a copy, or if you want to make a copy, you need to follow it regularly. So please keep in mind. Number 3 is practice. Again, I'll repeat the second one again, practice. Whenever you are learning new words, okay, you are translating in your brain. That's very clear idea that a native learner always try to translate. So when you are translating, you need to know the right words. You know, we often speak very tired. We often speak very beautiful. In the word very beautiful, we need to omit that very. So what we need to do? If we say it's adorable, it will be fine. It also means very beautiful. If we say very tired, what will be the synonym? The synonym will be exhausted. In case of very tired, you are using exhausted. In case of very beautiful, you are using adorable. These new words will help you to generate a sentence. Yes, number 4 is sentence construction. One should know how to construct a sentence. This is very important. In my previous videos, in the video of sentence, I have already spoken about it. You please go and watch the video. I think it will be helpful. I'm again speaking. In a sentence, what we need? We need a subject, we need a verb and an object. And we have to place it. That's it. Number 5, what we need is pronunciation. That comes very last. Pronunciation is something how we are pronunciating is very important in our daily lives. We can say is as each. No, that will not work. You need to build your ideas on pronunciation later. But in the beginning, you need to sit in an area where you need to make your mind that yes, I want to learn English. I want to learn how to speak English. For that, I have spoken some rules, and yes, I'll make videos on each of the topic I have told now. I'll make videos on how to pronounce well, how to improve your vocabulary, how to construct sentence in your mind and then translate it in English. It will be a fast process. But for the beginning, you need to stand in front of a mirror and you need to speak to yourself. Speaking to yourself has some fun, Nobody is going to watch you. Nobody is going to laugh you. When you are laughing, you yourself is being reflected. So, as a idea, as a tip, I will say that me also belong to a native learner. I am also a native learner. When I was in my higher secondary school, I get admission in a Bengali medium school where there was no chance of speaking English. But after passing from that school, when I come in my graduation, in my college also we all spoke in Bengali. English was taught, yes, we were in English honors batch. English was taught, we speak English when during our classroom only. After that we all started to communicating with each other with Bengali. We were very comfortable. Everybody is comfortable in their mother language. So after that, whenever I come home, I stood in front of a mirror, okay, and I tried to speak with myself, what to speak. People often get confused what to speak with yourself. Speak, ask yourself, how are you? Yes, then answer yourself, I am fine. Develop a dialogue and then go on speaking, which will help you. If you do it for 1 week now, it will be helpful. But I am helpful for it. I was curious to learn. I was curious to know the English. And I think now, in this present age, I am not a fluent English till now. I need to practice more. But yes, I never speak broken English. I can assure you that. And you can also listen to me and you can judge me always. But I need to be perfect. For perfection, I am going towards advanced level. I am letting you understand what to learn. For that I am speaking English to you, right? So first and foremost is stand in front of a mirror. Conversate with yourself. What you have done today. Yes, the answers will be broken. The answers will be half. If it will like how are you, it will be fine. If it comes in Bengali, আজকে কি কি করলে? What did you do today? It will become like that. Once tell in Bengali and then translate in English. Stand in front of a mirror for 10 minutes per day. Okay, I think it's going to be a helpful one. After 1 week, you may message me, you may comment here how you have developed your personal opinion. If you are not comfortable to message me or to comment here, you may text me personally or you may call me. And I'll provide you some important tips in the next day also. My next video will be on how to translate frequently in your mind. So in that translation video, I'll speak how to build, how to form, how to construct a sentence in your mind and then how to translate it quickly. For that, you need to practice the stage 1. The stage 1 is stand in front of mirror and speak to yourself. Thank you so much. Please share these videos to all those who need this tip seriously, those who wanted to speak English but I cannot reach to them. You please share it among your friends. Do like my video, drop a comment and subscribe it. If you haven't do it yet, if you haven't done it yet, please do it quickly. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.